To use a referral code, you'll first need to access the application, which can be found in the App Store or online by visiting the website. Simply type in the website's URL and you will be redirected to the homepage where you can create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward and seamless. Once you've started creating your account, look for the section that asks for a referral code, which may be labeled as Referral Code, Invite, or Enter Invite Code. Click on this option and enter the code provided by a friend or found in a promotion. After entering the code, continue with the sign-up process, and the bonus will be automatically applied to your future purchases. This process is easy to follow and requires minimal effort. Referral codes are a great way to save money and earn rewards, and using them is a simple and hassle-free experience. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily take advantage of the benefits that referral codes have to offer.